Okay, guys. So, you've heard me talk about this a million times. This is a giant bullish pattern. And the thing is, on a 3 month chart, we are only 12 days away from a new candle. Extremely important times, guys. Extremely, extremely important times. Honestly, this could explode from here, right? There's no question about that. This is a giant bullish pattern, and we have built a base. We have built this base, and we are sitting right on resistance. This is extremely important, right? We're sitting right here. Now, we've built this base. Price could open up and absolutely explode in the next quarter, right? There's no question about that. I do not doubt that for a single second. It's very, very possible. We'll go to the 2 week chart first, just to kind of illustrate what we were talking about before. Okay, so we have this situation right here. When you get this sort of rounding pattern, a little bit like this, and we turn green, as we turn green and we're holding green, we're still green. So, you know, in theory, we could still go parabolic from here, like I talked about in previous videos or whatever. Doesn't have to go parabolic, but I'm just saying, it's still green and we're still holding. That the tricky part is getting out of this bearish sort of drop and pattern. So it is a struggle to create this bullish engulfing candle, right? So we got to understand that. It's doing it. It's doing it, guys. There's no major bearish signs yet. Now look at this. This also on a monthly chart, right? If you look at this, it does also look like this in a way, right? In a way, you get this large candle that gets bought right back up. You get this large candle that gets bought right back up. Yes, I understand it's a different structure, but at the same time, it's showing that there definitely is buyers here buying this back up. So on a new monthly candle, which is a new quarterly candle, if it turns green, there's no reason why we can't just move back up there, right? There's no reason why we can't get a green bullish candle to push this back higher above all moving averages on a monthly chart. This may have just been a retest and a dip into the yellow 9 EMA on a monthly chart. You can see that it gets respected, 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 over and over, and then respected to the downside as well, and then respected to the upside always. You shouldn't say always, but you can see it was always here respected. So guys, the larger time frames are very bullish still. It would not surprise me if Bitcoin is going to explode higher on a new quarter.